Heyo, Tutting Challengers! Welcome to Day 1 of Tutting Academy's GRID Challenge. In order for you to connect with your body through geometry flow, our goal today is simple. To play with this grid and bring you one step closer to unlocking your tutting puzzle. Let's start by stretching your hands out like this. Go on, follow my lead. Don't stretch too hard though. Be aware of your body and don't overstretch. Our goal here is to warm up the muscles. So follow my lead, because over the next few minutes, we're going to install tutting movements directly into your muscle memory. Keep in mind, by the end of this 4-day challenge, we'll combine all the grids together into an advanced puzzle choreography that's going to feel incredible. And your first finger step starts right now. So put your hands up, relax your shoulders, and let's dive in. One last thing. If you are already an experienced tutting dancer, please get inspired by the daily moves, but also add an additional movement between the moves. So you can either change the video speed to 1.5 or keep it slow and just add more transitions between the moves. However, if you're a beginner, then just follow along. Okay, ready? Let's go. Follow my tuts. Yes! Yes! You did it! You did it! You did it! Whoop-doo! You've completed today's challenge. Now, I want you to keep exploring this grid, but I want to make it even easier for you. So, let's install some of the basic tutting movements to make it easier for you to find your way around through tutting geometry. Okay! Are you ready? Let's test your attention span. I challenge you to follow my tuts. Just like everything else in life, becoming successful as a dancer starts with showing up. The fact that you're here today already shows your commitment to growing. That's the most important step. So let's make today count. But wait a minute, what is success? Let's talk about it, because different people define success in different ways. But here's the truth. It doesn't matter if you think you've already succeeded or not, because there's always going to be more room to grow. So What really matters most is showing up, making progress, and connecting with your body. So don't stress out asking yourself, is this good or am I doing it right? Because success is not about being perfect, it's about practice. So as long as you're trying, you're doing good. Great news! Tutting is very different from everything else because these movements are natural to your body. You can do this as you grow older without risking an injury. Just remember to be gentle with your elbows. Straighten them, but don't push hard. Think of it like extending your arm to reach out for something. That's how it feels to straighten your elbow in a natural way. That's friendly to your body. It's also important to recommend this. Don't be shy. To help make your tutting beautiful, extend your grid and take up the space around you. Show off and go as far out as your arms can reach. Dance with confidence. And finally, here's the magic of tutting. You don't need any special preparation to do it. You can tut while sitting, walking, or even lying down. You can always practice your grid. You can do this everywhere. So, when's a good time to practice? Whenever it crosses your mind. That's the beauty of tutting. You can do it everywhere. Thank you for joining Day 1 Grid Challenge and for choosing to invest in your body's health through movement. Sure, it's fun to dance with geometry flow, but it's even more important to just move your body, stay active, and improve your creativity. We only have 3 days left. As we finish today's challenge, I want to invite you to give a small bow to yourself as a sign of respect for completing today's challenge. So take a deep breath in. Thank you and good luck.